तो देखो, न्यूक्लियस has three parts: nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm and nucleolus. देखो, न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन जो है, इट इज ए डबल मेम्ब्रेन स्ट्रक्चर, डबल मेम्ब्रेनस, ठीक है. एंड द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन resembles that of plasma membrane, same है. And this is not a continuous structure. It is interrupted at some places with nuclear pore. And the size of nuclear pore is 80 nanometer. And through these nuclear pores, ions and molecules enter and exit nucleus. So what is the function of nuclear membrane? The functions of nuclear membrane is that of plasma membrane, but you know, it is between nucleoplasm and cytoplasm. So nuclear membrane selectively allows movement of ions and molecules across the nuclear membrane. Which molecules to enter into nucleus and which molecules or ions exit the nucleus. यही काम प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन करता था ना, बिटवीन साइटोप्लाज्म एंड एनवायरनमेंट. So here it is done by nuclear membrane between cytoplasm and nucleoplasm. Second function जो mechanical function, it separates nucleoplasm from cytoplasm. Therefore, nucleoplasm is not mixed up in the cytoplasm. No need to buy previous year's question. You can get these questions from UPSC. मिलता है ना, 5-6 साल तो मिल ही जाता होगा. And that is enough. सॉल्यूशन कहां से देगा कि यूपीएससी? डिस्क्रिप्टिव आंसर्स का सॉल्यूशन कहां से देगा? एमसीक्यू होता तो दे सकते. So you can get these questions from UPSC site, and we are going to discuss the whole syllabus. So don't worry. Previous year's question syllabus से ही होगा. पूरे सिलेबस ही कर लेगा तो प्रीवियस ईयर्स क्वेश्चन में क्या छूटेगा? ठीक है. तो न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन एंड इट्स फंक्शंस अंडरस्टूड. अब न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म बताओ स्वागती का, व्हाट इज न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म एंड इट्स फंक्शंस. इट इज मेड अप ऑफ क्रोमैटिन. सुना है क्रोमैटिन? सब सुनेगा. बायोलॉजिस्ट बन जाएगा, इंजीनियर से बायोलॉजिस्ट. क्रोमैटिन क्रोमैटिन और क्रोमैटिन की स्ट्रक्चर में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में बताने वाला हूं, इसलिए अभी मत पूछना स्ट्रक्चर क्या है, सिर्फ फंक्शन सुन लेना. व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ क्रोमैटिन? Transmission of genetic material from one generation to another generation. This is actually structural and functional unit of heredity. It performs hereditary function. And nucleolus जो है ना, when some part of nucleoplasm comes under light rays and shows refraction, a ball-like structure appears. क्या है? When some parts of nucleoplasm come under light and shows refraction, a ball-like structure appears. That ball-like structure is called nucleolus. And the function of nucleolus is to synthesize, ribosomal RNA. The ribosomal RNA जो है, that is synthesized by nucleolus. So that means we can say its function is to form ribosomes. Online students, if you have any questions, any doubts, ask me. So this is biological part. You may not be from biology background. Even if you are from biology background, you may forget. So ask me. Things would be difficult. ठीक है, ये गया आपका structure and functions of cell. Its function is to produce rRNA. That means in turn it is responsible for the formation of ribosome. Ribosomes का components क्या है? rRNA plus protein. तो सारे rRNA तो यहां से बनता है. तो ये गया आपका सेल. अब टाइप्स ऑफ सेल. अब टाइप्स ऑफ सेल देखो. टाइप्स ऑफ सेल्स कैन बी seen on various bases. On the basis of development, there are two types of cells: prokaryotes and eukaryotes. On the basis of development, prokaryotes किसको बोलता है? ये सब चीज याद रखना है. प्रिमिटिव. लेकिन यहां पे किसको बोलता है? प्रोकैरियोट सेल्स जो है, examples of prokaryotic cells include bacteria and blue-green algae. In prokaryotic cells, there is no nuclear membrane. Nucleus is dispersed in the cytoplasm. Nucleus है, but it is not surrounded by a membrane. The nuclear membrane is absent. Nucleus is present. Second जो है, all the membrane bound organelles are absent. So what are the membrane bound cytoplasmic organelles? Yes, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, lysosomes, they all are absent in prokaryotes. नहीं होगा. Ribosomes है, but prokaryotes have 70s ribosome. ठीक है. Eukaryotes क्या है? All other living beings have eukaryotic cells. So in eukaryotes there is nucleolus which is surrounded by a definite nuclear membrane. Nucleolus is surrounded by a definite nuclear membrane. And all the membrane bound cytoplasmic organelles are present. The mitochondria, Golgi bodies, ER, lysosomes, all are found in eukaryotes. And it has 80s ribosomes. So that means in terms of evolution, prokaryotes are the primitive cells which evolved into eukaryotes. समझा ना? Eukaryotes evolved from prokaryotes. क्योंकि evolution is always from simple to complex. Cells on the basis of functions. So on the basis of functions, there are two types of cells: somatic cells and germinal cells. Somatic cells and germinal cells. Germinal cells are also called germ cells. They are responsible for the formation of gametes, the sperms eggs, they develop from germinal cells or germ cells. Somatic cells give rise to all other cells than germ cells or gametes. So body is mainly made up of somatic cells. They don't produce gametes. Germ cells are few cells found in gonad. Gonad in male is called testis. Gonad in female is called ovary. So germ cells give rise to gametes only. If there are changes in germ cells, that will be transmitted to next generation. But changes in somatic cells are not passed on to next generation. Somatic cells are responsible for bodily formation. ठीक है. Of cells on the basis of organism. There are two types of cells, plant cells and animal cells. So plant cells have cell wall. Beyond plasma membrane, there is another layer covering plasma membrane. In case of plant, that layer is called cell wall. The cell wall is present in plant cell, which is absent in animal cell. Plant cells have plastid, which is responsible for photosynthesis. And because of this, plant can produce their own food. It is absent in animal cells. That's why animals' cells cannot produce their own food. They are consumers. In plant cells, there are big vacuoles in the cytoplasm. ऐसे vacuoles होते हैं. These vacuoles are absent in animal cells. In animal cells, centrosome is present. Centrosome is present in animal cells, which is absent in plant cells. ठीक है. तो सेल का टॉपिक कंप्लीट. So if you have any questions, doubts, you can ask me. I am giving frame.